So, this is May 1st, 2025, and this is going to be day 297 of consistently helping people build consistency. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. One of my biggest achievements in being consistent is that I currently have a 100 more than 171 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, practicing your art, practicing sport, and lots of things. How to consistently do those things by implementing the same principle that I use in doing my morning push-ups, okay? So you can actually implement the principles, right? From my method, not necessarily my method, I learned it from the internet to actually, yeah, into your own field, okay? Not necessarily need to be exercising, okay? You can do other things. So why my method is really effective? One is that because I set on a clear deadline, okay? I don't only say, oh yeah, I do push-ups every morning. No, I set on a clear deadline. If you check on my Instagram, okay, you are going to be seeing that, oh, you know what? I actually set on a deadline that I need to do my push-ups before 5:30 a.m. every single day. Okay, so that's a deadline. Notice why setting on a deadline is really important. It is precisely because one of the biggest reason why we cannot be consistent at doing something is because we don't know when are we going to be doing it. Notice we only say to ourselves inside of our head, oh, you know what, I'm gonna be doing this after school, I'm gonna be doing that after dinner. But in reality, we only procrastinate, we only postpone doing those things. Okay? And at the end of the day, we only say to ourselves, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna be doing it tomorrow. And then the next day, the same cycle happen and again and again and again. When we just set on a clear deadline, okay, it's not, after school, it's not after dinner or anything. It's a specific time of the day, for example, 5 a.m., 5 p.m., right? We are going to be having a more clear idea when are we going to be doing this thing. And also, the thing that you are going to be doing here, okay, is that you are going to be setting on an alarm, okay, an alarm as a concrete signal, okay, concrete signal when are you going to be doing something. That's one way, okay? And then the second thing is to basically document, okay? Document your progress on a day-to-day basis and upload it on social media. And here's the thing, I don't necessarily say that you need to make it public. You can just create a private account, okay? And then basically document your journey there, okay? Maybe like let 4 to 5 of your friends to see it, but you don't necessarily need to make it online and let thousands of people to watch it, okay? So why documenting your progress on social media? Not necessarily need to make it public and let hundreds of people watch it. Maybe just, your close friends. Why it's gonna be effective? It is precisely because when we just let the people who cared about us, right? The people that actually care about us know about the positive thing that we are doing, okay? They are going to be having the expectation that, hey, you know what? I want you to succeed. I want you to be consistent at doing your exercise because I want to see you to be healthy. I want to see you to be happy. I want to see you to, look good in the mirror and so on, right? And since precisely because we know other people, the people who actually care about us, have this expectation to us, we do not want to let them down, okay? We want to, hey, you know what? Yeah, the people who actually care about me, they want me to succeed. So, you know what? I also want to make them watch me succeed, okay? Because I also want to make them happy. And also, maybe I can inspire them to also do the same. Maybe I can also inspire them to exercise. Maybe I can also inspire them to also meditate and so on and so on. So that's basically how you stay consistent at doing your positive things by one, setting on a clear deadline, and two, you document it on your social media, maybe create a private account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord. Thank you so much. You can also support my work on Gumroad by buying my coffee. And for today's date authenticity post, today's meme czar posted a broke off in 4K post last 24 hours. This is, oh yeah, this is April 1st, this is May 1st, 2025. And Yeah, just saying that this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I need to edit it first. Thank you.